Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I just have to start off by saying I'm super sorry that I have not uploaded a video this week just yet. It's Wednesday and I'm just uploading my first video. It is because this past weekend on Saturday I turned 27 years old and I had just such a crazy eventful weekend. I kind of lost my voice. So yeah, I know. My voice definitely left me, but it's back now. It's still a little bit raspy, so if it sounds weird, that's basically what it is. But today I'm really excited because I'm coming to you guys with my top sweet tooth cravings that I had during my 100-pound weight loss. So these items that I'm about to show you are the items that I basically ate in order to lose weight, and it's the items that I recommend my clients to eat. Will curb your sweet tooth. They'll satisfy you if you are on a weight loss journey or if you're trying to live a healthier life but you still have that sweet tooth, which I feel like we all do. I know that I have a big sweet tooth. I had a big sweet tooth during my journey and I still wanted to satisfy my cravings, but I also wanted to work towards my goals. And as you guys know, sweets like cookies, candy, cakes, regular ice cream, just all this stuff, it really is filled with a lot of sugar, and that's primarily what gets stored as fat. So during your journey, those are probably the worst things that you can have. But the good news is there are a lot of amazing substitutes you can replace those with in order to still reach your goals, and that is what I did, and that is what you can do as well. If you would like to see the top food items I ate to curb my sweet tooth while I was on my weight loss journey and what I still eat when I have my sweet tooth cravings, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna kick this off with probably my favorite. Other than this, I don't think I'm gonna go in any particular order, but definitely my absolute favorite right now has to be the Halo Top, I don't know if you guys could see that, oatmeal cookie ice cream. Y'all, when I say this ice cream is delicious, this is probably like my favorite flavor. I know there's a little glare on it. I want you guys to be able to see it. This is probably my favorite flavor. 280 means the number that's on the top of the container, that basically is how many calories are in the whole thing. So there are 4 servings in this pint. So if you ate the whole thing, it would be 280 calories. Now let me just compare this for you. If this was a pint of Ben & Jerry's, it would probably be like 1,200 calories. So Halo Top is definitely a great alternative to regular ice cream because it's filled with protein. It literally has 5 grams of protein per serving. Each serving has only 70 calories, only 6 grams of sugar, which 5 are sugar alcohol, and then it also has 3 grams of fiber. So you really can't beat that. Halo Top is delicious. This oatmeal cookie flavor, like I said, it's my favorite Halo Top flavor. Let me know down in the comments section what y'all's favorite is, but definitely the oatmeal cookie is my favorite right now, guys. Now, here's like a bonus which you can add to it if you do want to just do like 1 serving. You can also add some Ready Whip. This one's the non-dairy almond milk flavor. A lot of times I just use a low-fat one. Generally, it's like 10. This one, as you can see, is only 10 calories per serving, which of course is 2 tablespoons. So you can put some whipped cream on top, which is only going to add 10 calories, and it's really, again, just going to help to really satisfy that sweet tooth. So ice cream and whipped cream, normally it would be packed with calories, but if you combine Halo Top and like a light whipped cream or almond milk whipped cream, you are good to go. Okay, so that is number 1. Okay, so moving on to number 2, I will have the sugar-free or low-calorie snack packs of the pudding. I like to get the one that has chocolate and vanilla in it. Again, I just get the low-fat ones that has like 80 calories in it. And again, you can top it with whipped cream, so your almond milk whipped cream, or you could top it with your low-fat whipped cream, which I use the low-fat one a little bit more. Or you could even do like a Cool Whip. This one's like a sugar-free, I don't know if you guys can see that, sugar-free Cool Whip. This literally has 20 calories per 2 tablespoons, so a little bit more than the regular whipped cream, but it's really good, sugar-free. You can add it on top of that or just add your regular Cool Whip. These are a really good way to curb your sweet tooth, curb and satisfy your sweet tooth without adding a ton of calories. Okay, so this is another good option. You could also do like a low-fat Jello. I remember I did a lot of that too. When you're coming and you're starting a new lifestyle, literally this is a step up from reaching for Little Debbie cakes, okay? Little Debbie snack cakes were my enemy growing up, okay? Because they really did make me fat. I used to eat Debbie snack cakes so much growing up, and they're literally, as you guys know, just packed with sugar. So definitely switching from that to like a low calorie or low carb, whatever, like sweet little yogurt, that's definitely going to satisfy you and not add a lot of calories at all. So that is the second option I have for you. Now, the third option I have for you is one of my favorites as well. Now guys, it took me a long time to actually try this flavor. This is the Quaker rice cakes. This is the chocolate flavor. I usually always got like the caramel or the regular flavor, which is really good. And I always just walk past the chocolate flavor. But guys, let me tell you, it was a game changer, because when I picked up the chocolate kinds, these literally taste like Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs in a thick square of a rice cake. Now, one of these is 60 calories. So the regular ones are like 30 to 50 calories. This is 60 calories. But guys, like I said, it literally tastes like Cocoa Puffs. So you can have 2 of these, which would only be 120 calories. And I like to top those with like peanut butter. Now, let me tell you about this. So this peanut butter is the honey roasted peanut butter. It has like honey in it. There's like a little glare there, but it has like honey in it. Now, this is very high in calories. So you want to make sure that you're not overdoing it. If you do peanut butter, I recommend just doing half of a tablespoon. So, or 1 tablespoon if you have the calories to do that. You just want to be careful, because peanut butter is very high in calories, but it's very healthy. It has good fats in it. But what I also like to do, and what I recommend to my clients, is using the PB2. This is basically like a powdered peanut butter. I wanted you guys to get a good look here. It's basically a powdered peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons, so the same amount of this is only 50 calories compared to 210 calories. So again, both are really good, but I recommend this one. Now, it's definitely not as sweet, but if you add just like a drop or 2 of honey and stir it in, it really, really helps, and it tastes just like peanut butter. I love using this also for like my shakes, and things like that. It's really, really, really good. So powdered peanut butter is a way you can save calories and still get that peanut buttery taste. I've been using this for years. I think I got this one here at Walmart, and it was literally like maybe like $4 or $5, and it's huge, you know, it's literally so huge. There's 37 servings in this, so this will definitely last you. So again, mixing my chocolate rice cake with my powdered peanut butter, and then even I like to put cinnamon on top, which cinnamon's a really good fat burner. So putting cinnamon on top, it is absolutely, guys, it is so delicious. Absolutely love it. So yeah, you have to try it. You guys, next time you're in the grocery store, get this up, pick this up, get this up, pick this up, and let me know what you guys think. Tell me these don't taste just like Cocoa Puffs. So there you have it. There you have it. Those are kind of like some of the quick and easy go-tos that I love to have if I'm really having like just one of those days where I have a sweet tooth, but I'm trying to stick to my goals. Okay, so those are some awesome things you should always keep in your kitchen, you know, just to snack on, that are, again, loaded with protein, that are going to fill you, going to satisfy that sweet tooth. They're absolutely so amazing. So I will be doing a bunch more videos like this where I'm going to show you guys exactly what I ate, what I do, how I cook, how I prepare my food, because I'm the type of person, I get tired of the same thing. I like variety. I like good food. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do. I'm going to show you guys more videos like this. So if you want to be a part of that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you never miss when I'm dropping this knowledge on you guys. Feel free to let me know if you've tried any of these recipes or tried any of these items in the description box, or not the description box, but in the comment section below. In the description box, I am going to put just kind of where you can find these items. Really, they all can be found at your local grocery store, Walmart, HEB, if you're not in Texas, wherever, you know, probably your local grocery store. Okay, that is it. Feel free and make sure you're following me on Instagram. I will link my link here. follow the tribe, sign up for our newsletter. We have a 6-week challenge starting soon. You don't want to miss it, okay? All right, guys, so until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Literally, these are so good. Like,